Hi, Robin. So the first question is from Vishesh Roy from ANI. Do you think all batsmen failed to adjust to the Dubai wicket as they were all seen trying to look for boundaries from the very start? Do you think batsmen could have taken more time in the middle?
Well, yeah, as in hindsight, you always feel like you can take a little bit more time. We could have taken a little bit more time. We got a sense that the wicket changed a little bit post the first innings. I thought that the wicket began stopping a little bit. Obviously, it was a used wicket. The game that RCB played against Mumbai Indians, I think, is that same wicket that we played on. So I think towards the end, the wickets started getting a little tired, so started stopping a little bit. So yeah, in hindsight, we definitely felt maybe we could have taken a little bit more time to get adjusted, and then gone to attack to the take the attack to the bowlers.
Next question is from Vedant Sharma of Sports Tiger. This was their first time playing at Dubai International Stadium. Has practicing on small grounds affected chances in the game against Kolkata today?
Not really. I think we've practiced on we've played practice matches on bigger grounds as well. So I think it's just a matter of adjusting to the pace of the wicket as well. So I think as we play more games here, I think we'll get better and better at it. So I think today we've got a good sense of how this wicket's going to play. It's pretty similar to our practice wickets. So I think we're looking forward to the next games as well. So I think our performance will only climb from here on in.
Kritika Naidu of Crickbuzz. Why did RR opt to bowl? Wasn't it better to score on the board first with no pressure on the batting order, especially when the middle order is a bit fragile?
Well, I think we chased a big score in the last game. Obviously, there was a lot of confidence coming in from that. So, and also we felt that this wicket will play well in the last few games that they played at Dubai. Teams batting second have ended up being able to chase down scores. But like I said a little earlier, in hindsight, I feel maybe we could have taken a little bit more time to adjust to the pace of the wicket and then taken the attack to the bowlers. But I think that's good learning. So moving forward, I think this learning will hold us in good stead.
And the last question for the day. Why did Jaydeep Unadkat only bowl 2 overs, particularly when he looked in good rhythm today?
Well, I think when you have the luxury of having about six bowlers within the side, we had even Rian bowling in over today. So when you have six and a half, seven bowlers in the side, you tend to have the luxury to pick who you want to bowl at different situations. And having said that, when you look at the ground, the dimensions, one side of the ground was shorter than the other. So and they had left right batting at all times, at most times. So we want to make sure that I think the thought process was to make sure that we save Jofra for someone like Russell, so that we could look to get him out, and that's why I think JD wasn't gone towards the end.
We have one more question. Do you think lack of calculation on the part of the batsman while chasing first to the match? Was there any confusion to determine the approach to the chase?
Well, no, I think we actually play a certain brand of cricket, and today we continue to play that as a batting lineup. But obviously there have been learnings in this game, and I think those learnings will be taken into our stride and applied in the games to come.
After all those injuries, what's the feeling like in the camp to see both Mavi and Nagarkoti win games and repay the faith?
Oh, definitely. First of all, that's a great question because that's something I really wanted to answer. Just the fact to see both these boys out there playing for us, representing our franchisee, the fact that we've stuck with them, and just to see them out there is so happy. And the fact that they're bowling well and fielding well is a bonus, but just to see them out there, I've been wanting to see them since the time they played the World Cup. And now it's just great to see them both on the field.
Subyan Chakrabarti of Beyond. Kuldeep Yadav came to bowl at 16th over. What was the reason behind the move?
Oh, just the fact that the wicket had a lot for the fast bowlers. So for the starting bit, we were bowling a lot of fast bowling, and then we have two spinners in Sunny and Varun as well. So we just looked at the odds, and then after that we just brought in Kuldeep when the time was right.
Vishesh Roy of ANI. Has the KKR management decided to use Morgan as a finisher? What was the thought process behind sending him at number 6?
Oh, it was just just the fact that Russell batted higher up in the order made everybody go one slot down, and hence he ended up batting 6, which became a blessing in disguise because he has a cool, calm head, and he made sure he took it deep while batting first, which is very important as a batter.
Kritika Naidu of Crickbuzz. What worked for Mavi, Cummins, and Nagarkoti today? How have the three worked together in training?
I think just the fact that a player like Cummins is around is a confidence booster because he's so good with the young kids, and he's just great to have around the team. The way he smiles and the way he carries with his body language, he's such a pleasure to have around. I wish all fast bowlers all around the world. Cummins is extraordinary role model for everybody to pick up, not only on the field, just off the field as well. He's just a pleasure to be around. I think the boys are learning a lot. The fact that he's interacting with all these guys, not only on the field, but making a genuine effort at that off the field as well, makes a massive difference for me. And in my eyes, he's been, he's just been going up the ladder with the way he's behaving and the way he is with the young boys.
How has Varun Chakrabarti gelled with the team combination? He has had another good outing today.
I think he's fitting in well. I think he's one of those, again, obviously the journey has been really tough for him. Poor guy has had a few injuries, but I'm really happy to see him. He's from Chennai, so obviously I'm really fond of him. The fact that we're both playing together is just something that I'm really happy. Again, for him, he's somebody who's had a few doubts because of the fact that he's had an injury, but I'm just happy to see him out there.
The last question for the day is by Sandeep Sarkar of ABP Ananda. Shubman giving solidity at top of the batting order. Mavi Nagarkoti shining with the ball. Do you think that these youngsters are the main strength of KKR this year?
Oh, definitely. I think the fact that these young boys are doing well is very good. I don't think we should get too carried away and, make it a lot about them. Just the fact that they're doing well is very good. I don't want to, add pressure on them by making them feel that they are the ones that we are dependent on. I think just if they keep chipping in and doing their bits, I think there are fabulous cricketers around them as well who will play a role and make them look even better than what they are.